Hi, I'm with the Beachcomber. My name is Joe Bryan. I'm sitting with Bree. We're on the property of the Beachcomber. I'd like to ask you, Bree, I understand you had rapid resolution therapy. Is that correct?
Yes.
I understand you had 3 sessions.
Yes, 3 individual sessions.
Okay, can you explain what happened on your first incident of rapid resolution therapy? Why did you have that?
The first time I went in there was for, I was suffering a lot of problems from my childhood as far as abandonment from my mother, physical and verbal abuse from her as well. And she was very sick, addict and alcoholic as well. And so
There's a lot of trauma with that, and not having your mom around or always disappearing, no?
absolutely.
And how is the feelings of all that now? Those abandonment issues and not having a mother.
There was a lot of anger previously. Now I think of it as more as a blessing, and I take it as experience. Not do I want to treat other people like that, but that's not what I would ever want to look back on and think horribly of my mother because of that. She was very sick, and I have to accept that she was sick.
And the pain deep down is not as painful when you think of these.
No.
Now I understand your second one was of some molestation. Is that correct?
Yeah, I was molested as a child by one of my babysitters, and it was the husband of the wife that was babysitting me. And it went on for quite some time, and I had to hide it for a while. And it created a lot of fear.
And anger, huh?
And anger towards men and anyone in general. I couldn't trust anyone. Their intentions I saw was always negative.
They were always, what's their angle? Why are they trying to help me? Why are they being nice to me?
Exactly.
What's their angle?
Exactly. I'd always question it.
I understand. And how do you feel about other people and their intentions now?
During the session, it just gave me a whole new perspective on, when he did, do those things to me, that was just my body. It wasn't me as a person. He wasn't touching me as a person, who I am in my core. He was just touching the physical aspects, and I held on to that for a long time, and I didn't trust anyone. I didn't trust men. I didn't trust women. It didn't matter.
And now, do you have any trust problems?
Yeah, no, not at all. I'm more accepting to people. I'm more open. Willingness. I don't see them as always trying to attack me. I don't come off as defensive.
I would say, like you and I sitting here talking, probably previously, you'd be wondering why we're doing it or not trusting me, but now you feel neither. I'm not out to get you. Is that
right?
Right,
absolutely. And I don't feel attacked.
Okay, and I understand these sessions last an hour. Is that correct? Just an hour?
Yeah, just about an hour, give or take. And I've gone through treatment and therapy for years, and they've thrown me on medications, and it has done nothing, resolved nothing compared to what this treatment has done for me.
So you've been to other treatment centers or other types of treatment?
Yeah, and
for
therapists,
all these problems,
yep,
yeah?
all that.
I understand 5th grade was your first time you had counseling for your problem. Is that correct?
Yes, that's when they started, trying to sum up where all these emotions and everything was coming for and the reasons I was acting out.
So you had years of counseling and still had it. You had 1 session of rapid resolution trauma and gone.
All it took was 1 hour, as opposed to years and years of, trying to talk it through and just bring back memories and medicine, lots of medicine.
So would you recommend this with people who have trauma, the things that you've been through, anger, resentments? Is that something that could help you?
Absolutely. I highly recommend it to anyone. Give it a shot. You have nothing to lose, nothing at all.
Okay, well, thank you. It's nice to have someone who's had all this experience to tell us how this treatment works and the response to this treatment. And I recommend anybody interested to find more about rapid resolution therapy to please call us at 561-734-1818. And you recommend this as the best thing for this type of trauma, is that correct?
Give it a shot. Take 1 hour out of your day. You got nothing to lose.
There you go.